Now you may wonder why I am going to apply this paste that is made for removing pimples or treating pimples. Yes, true. I don't have pimples on my skin, but I want my skin bacteria free. That is why this is added in my paste. Hello, my dear friends. I am Usha Taneja. I hope many of you know very well till now. I am going to discuss the benefits of guava for skin for treating pimples. This video is specially made to remove pimples. Yes. In my previous video that I uploaded about 2 weeks ago, I used guava leaves and prepared a face mask, Gulabi or Gori Rangat Pai. It was the title of that video. If you want to see, you can go and watch it. And today I am going to discuss the benefits of guava. This is guava and it is green. It is not much ripe and not much raw. It's in the medium stage now. It is hard. We can't eat it direct, but it is not that much hard. We can't eat it, it's right, but we can grind it. We'll cut it and we'll remove its seeds. Yes, sure. This part I can't eat and I can't apply. I'll remove it. I'll remove its seeds and then I'll chop it. And along with this guava pulp, I'm going to add these basil leaves. These are 10 or 12 in number. This is medium size, not a big one, and this is responsible for removing pimples. Along with these two ingredients, the third ingredient is this is apple cider vinegar. This is very beneficial to remove acne and scars and pimples. I'll use only 2 or 3 drops of it in 1 spoon of pulp and this mixture, and not much, because this is very strong. This may cause irritation. That's why you have to take a patch test before applying this paste. Here it is a bowl, half a bowl of guava cut and chopped after removing seeds, and these are the basil leaves. I am going to put all these together with these pieces of guava, and then I am going to add about 5-6 drops of this apple cider vinegar. This is enough. This is a small spoon, and this is half of apple cider vinegar. And then here it is the rose water, because we need a small amount of water or something else that is liquid. We are going to add this rose water which I made at home. I brought rose petals from market and prepared this rose water. 1 and 2 spoons. In it we have added rose water to pacify, to soothe the irritation or inflammation caused due to this vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and the basil leaves. And this guava gives us a good complexion which we had in childhood. And again, this treats acne, scars, pigmentation, dark spots, and moreover wrinkles. That's why it is called anti-aging. Guava is anti-aging if we eat it or we apply it on our face. It gives our skin a radiance also. Here the paste is ready. There are a few pieces which could not be ground. I'll remove it, and I am going to store it for 3 or 4 days, and I'll apply it daily. Now you may wonder why I am going to apply this paste that is made for removing pimples or treating pimples. Yes, true. I don't have pimples on my skin, but I want my skin bacteria free. That is why this is added in my paste. Now this paste is ready. If it causes some irritation or itchiness on your skin, you may reduce the amount of apple cider vinegar and basil leaves. And if your skin is not sensitive, your skin can bear all this, you can add more amount. You can increase the amount of apple cider vinegar and basil leaves, and your pimples will go naturally. I have applied it on my face. I'll keep it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it will get dry and I'll wash it with simple normal water. You can apply this face pack twice a week. That will be enough. If you want quick results, you can apply daily even. Please share your feedback. What happened to your skin, whether it was beneficial or not. Please get back to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.